Yes, welcome. Today we are going to be looking at a variable type known as integer. A variable type known as what? Integer. We said that there are plenty types of data types in Python, and we said that these data types are what? Integer. We talk about floats. Integer is when you have a whole number like 10. When you have a decimal number like 1.2, we call it float. We also have string, is it not? When we have something like ada, if the value is ada, depending on the value of the variable, you understand, you know the type. So we are going to start with the most basic one, which is int, you understand. Now, you're going to write this code in the PyCharm and see what it's giving, you understand. If you write the code starting with this hash, this is comment, you understand. It's telling the PyCharm or the Python interpreter that this is actually a comment. And what are comments? Comments are used to document a program and improve its what? Readability. If you want your code to be very readable, you need to be adding comments. You understand? So use it to add notes to your main code. Like if the PyCharm that we are using as your editor, if you want to run this code, it's going to be evaluating this that doesn't have comment, this comment sign. But this too, it will just write it the way it is, but it will now work on this. Is that clear? So we say that these are the operations available for what? Integers. These are the mathematical operations actually. This is not operation. I would have said mathematical operations available for integer. Number one is what? Plus, which is what I demonstrated here, 5 plus 2. Number two is what? Minus. Number three is what? Times. If you want to put times or multiplication, this is how you represent it. This is division. This is modulus. Modulus means if you say 5 divided by 2, you know that 5 divided by 2 is 2, 2, remember what? 1. So when you say 5 modulus 2, 5 modulus 2, it will give you the remainder of 5 divided by 2. So 5 modulus 2 will give you the answer as what? 1. You understand? 5 modulus 2 simply means 5 divided by 2. What is the remainder? Which is 1. You understand? Then this one is known as exponential. If you say 5 exponential 2, it simply means 5 to the power of 2, which is what? 25. Is that clear? This is floor division. Is that clear? So we are going to print all this to see what it will give us in our Python. So if you have 5 floor division 2 is equal to 5 floor division 2. Now, if you type this code in your PyCharm and you run it, it is going to present this one as a string. You understand? Then it will do this one as the actual calculation. So what it will give you now, if you run this code, this very line of code, it will give you 5 plus 2 equal to, it will now do this calculation, which is 5 plus 2, and 5 plus 2 is what? 7. So this is what it will give you on your PyCharm when you run. So if you go to your text editor in PyCharm, type this print 5 plus 2 equal to this. Why will you write this one exactly the way it is? It's writing it exactly the way it is because you put this quotes. Is that clear? Whenever Python sees quotes like this, it regards it as a string. It regards it as a what? It does not see it as a mathematical integer. So it will just bring it exactly the way it is. Just like if you come, instead of putting 5 plus 2 here, you come here and write ada. It will bring here, instead of 7, it will now write ada equal to 7. Is that clear? Because it's writing anything that is inside this double quote exactly the way it is. Is that clear? So the mathematics that is saying here is not saying this very, much. This is the one is saying. You understand? But you're using comma to join two entities in Python. Is that clear? So it's saying this exactly the way it is. So you will now have 5 plus 2 to be equal to 7. Is that clear? So if you now, instead of writing this, had even you wrote print in bracket 5 plus 2, what will come out as the answer? What will come out? 7 will come out. You understand? But if you wanted to also write 5 plus 2 before it says it's equal to 7, you have to put it but in this quote. Is that clear? So you write this one, this 7. So it will do all this calculation on this side. It will tell you what 5 plus 2 is, what 5 modulus 2 is, or 5 exponential 2 is, and 5 floor division 2 is. Exactly. So that is that for integers. Very, very important. So whenever you're doing calculation, no, I'm going to give us an assignment. Assignment. Write a code that adds 20 and 2 in Python. Write a code that adds 20 and 2 in Python using the same method as we have. Write a code that adds 20 and 2 in Python. Let's do this simple assignment. Write a code that adds 20 and 2 in Python. So how should I write that code? Look up, let's write it. A code that adds 20 and 2. Very simple. I will just say what? Print in brackets. I'll put double quotes for the string. Is it not? Put comma and do the actual calculation, which is 20 plus what? 2. Then what do I write here that will make this code to be readable? I will just say what? 20 plus what? 2 equal to. Exactly. So it's going to output this one as string. If I run this code, what will I see? I will see this one outputted as string as 20 plus 2 equal to. Then I will see this answer, which is what? 22. Is that clear? So that is how to write it. So take home assignment. Write a code that has 34 that multiplies. Write a code that multiplies 32 by 4. So this is assignment, then we'll continue from here. So you can notice that anytime you are writing a line of code in Python, you don't enclose it with semicolon, just like you do in Java. You understand? If you want to print this out, it's as simple as this. If you want to print this code, just this same code that has 20 to 2 in Java, we would have written something like this. Public class add, then you have a semicolon, you have a curly bracket, just to tell you how simple Python code is compared to Java. If you want to write the same code that prints out 20 plus 2 equal to 22 in Java, this is what you write. Public class add, then you put this, then you write public static void main string args, then inside another curly bracket you have system dot out dot print, then you now write this 20 plus 2 equal to plus 20 plus 2. Then you close this curly bracket. Can you see? You have to write all this code just to produce this. But in Python, you just write single one line of code. Print, you're just giving it instruction. Print 20 plus 2. Very simple. It will print it out. But for you to print out 20 plus 2 equals to 22 in Java, you have to write all this code. You understand? So you can see now that Python is it's easier. Simplicity, very, very important in Python. So in the next class, we will start looking at strings. Thank you.